In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription price in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so your community can join on a recurring plan that matches your offer and business goals. This walkthrough focuses on clarity and simplicity, so you can set things up with confidence on your first try. First, head to your Skool workspace and make sure you're in the correct group. You'll see your group name in the top left corner. Click that name to open the group level controls. From there, look for the familiar gear icon labeled Settings. Click the Settings gear to open the configuration area for this group. This is where all your core options live, including membership access and pricing. Inside Settings, turn your attention to the left-hand menu. Find and click the Pricing tab. This section is dedicated to how you charge for access and what members see when they go to join. It's organized to make it easy to switch between models if you ever need to, so you can adapt your offer over time without starting from scratch. Within pricing, you'll notice options for your pricing type. Choose Subscription. This tells Skool you want to bill members on a recurring basis rather than as a one-time purchase. Subscriptions are great for ongoing communities, coaching, content libraries, or anything that delivers continuous value. Selecting subscription sets the foundation for predictable revenue and clear expectations for your members. Next, set your pricing. Decide on the amount and, if available, the billing interval that best reflects your offer's value and cadence. Many communities start with a monthly rate, while others prefer yearly for committed members. Consider what your members receive each month, such as live calls, new lessons, or community support, and price accordingly. Keep it simple, clear, and aligned with the outcomes you promise. As you finalize the number, think about how it will appear to potential members. Round figures are easier to understand, while charm pricing can make an offer feel approachable. If you serve an international audience, remember that members may view your price through the lens of exchange rates and local norms, so clarity in your description and benefits helps a lot. That's it. You navigated to your group settings, opened the Pricing tab, chose Subscription, and set your pricing. Take a moment to review your choice to ensure it reflects the value you deliver and the experience you want to create. With your subscription price in place, you're ready to welcome new members on a recurring plan and grow your community sustainably.